Today let's make Channa Sukka, which is a South Indian style Channa Sukka. Let's soak the Channa overnight and then next morning you need to boil it with around 2 whistles along with salt and keep it aside. Now let's make the tasty masala. In a kadai add coconut oil or the oil of your choice. Then add dry red chilies, add methi seeds. Please note while you're roasting the masala, it needs to be kept on low flame. And the masalas needs to be roasted really very well. Next I've added in some cumin seeds, I've added in mustard seeds, now I'm adding in coriander seeds and give it a good mix. All these ingredients need to be mixed very well, and then I'm adding in some curry leaves. Trust me, your house will be smelling like heaven by now. Beautiful smell. Next what we can do is we need to transfer it to a blender. Once the mixture is cooled down, transfer it to a blender and blend it coarsely. Please do not add any water. Next I'm adding into the same blender jaggery, turmeric powder, and tamarind and grated coconut. Again without any kind of water, blend it coarsely. Now in a kadai I've added in oil. I've added in coconut oil. Again you can choose the oil of your choice. Next I've added in mustard seeds. When the mustard seed starts spluttering, add some urad dal, add in dry red chilies, asafoetida and curry leaves and give it a good mix. Once it's slightly and crispy, add in the blended masala. Just give it a good mix and then add in the boiled channa and mix all this channa really very well along with the masala so that the channa and the masala is coated really very well. Please note I've added in salt while boiling. Check for the salt and then add it, and finally garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. Trust me, you will love this recipe. This recipe is the same one which you have it in temple or in marriages when you go for any South Indian marriages. So yeah, if you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and follow. As I always say, enjoy.